Gone School. Amy Schmidt is the one who wrote the words, and Ron Schmidt is the one who took the photographs. And this is a rhyming book. This is the Dear Parents note. An apple bite. Back to doggone school. Scholastic. Scholastic. He's funny. First day jitters. I'm ready for school. It is my first day. I see the bus heading my way. Will I like my teacher? Who will I meet? Do I have my lunch? Will I get a seat? And then doggone school. Hop on the bus, no time to wait. It's time for school, we cannot be late. Late and wait rhyme. Oh, there's 2 times. Teacher's pet. This is Lucy. She never makes the teacher upset. She can even bark the alphabet. She is helpful, oh boy, you bet. That is why she's the teacher's pet. Add it up. Simon lost 2 blocks. Then he lost 2 more. How many blocks has Simon lost? The answer must be 4. Look, he's missing some blocks. Slurp. Ralphie has a hallway pass to visit. The water fountain he cannot reach. To get a drink, so he built a book mountain. Slurp, slurp, slurp. Book mountain. They actually took the photographs in the real school and they put just doggies in it, and then they took the photographs. Boys. With a belly full of water, Ralphie slooshes back to class. But on his way, he starts to think he needs a bathroom pass. Boys. The handle and the fire hydrant. I don't know what it stands for. Lunch bunch. We should be eating lunch right now, but we just sit and stare. And look at Sammy's cookies. I hope that he will share. Look at his cookies. There's so much sprinkles and frosting. All the dogs are staring at milk. Dear. Drop everything and read. Like dear, then D, then E, then A, then R. Spelling bound. Maddie has a word she is working hard to spell. It is the letters that she needs, a B or an L or an L or a C. Sorry, I read that false. If you know the missing letter, go ahead and tell. C. Then she uses an apple, a book, and some color pencils. Home free. The school bell rings. To the end of the day, we all rush out. It's time to play. Look, the other dog is having a frisbee in his mouth. And there's some tan bark, some spring things. You know that thing in the park where you jump up and then it's a spring thing. Except for Stan. He has to stay. Because he did something like a consequence. Because he did something he's not supposed to do, he gets a consequence. I will not eat my homework. I will not eat my homework. I will not eat my homework. I can't say it 1,000 times. Hanging around. I like to hang around with my feet above the ground. I am missing one thing. A friend to push the swing. Homework. I have my books at home to study for a test. Reading spelling worksheets. Will I ever get to rest? Oh, that guy's got little glasses and some books. This one's funny. Bath time playing in the mud makes me feel glad. I get dirty, but Mom gets mad. I take a bath to wash my muck. Has anyone seen my yellow duck? All the bubbles. This was taken in a real house or something. Bedtime. It's time to curl up in my bed to lay down my little sleepy head. It's time to dream a night away and rest up for a brand new day. Here's the bed for dogs. That was the end of Dog Gone School. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.